Mukbang tayo. Pansit kinakain ko. Meron tayong ito yung cake ko. Ito my favorite Giket Buchi. Mayroon pansit. Mayroon spaghetti. Kasi it's my birthday. Oh, my chicken. Chicken. Oh, laki-laki chicken. Chicken bucket. Ito pa, laki-laki cake. But it's pizza. And ito pa, my favorite pizza ever is Hawaiian pizza. I'm a Filipina, but I love Hawaiian pizza. May tinatawanan ako ng apo ko. Oh, what is this? Right in life. Juice. So, yun, kakainin natin. I have a happy birthday. Thank you sa greetings nyo sa Lola. And I would like to shout out my family, my loving family, and sponsors for my birthday. Here is my daughter Diana Friendlin, my son Mark Joshua, and my apo Chloe and Caleb. Insert Adam, Amira, Sian, and Jansel. How are you? And also my children, Rica Blanca, Arian May, and Efren Jr. Shout out my family. I love you all. Thank you so much. And most especially, our Father, the Lord, is the great provider. Thank you for the gift of life that I have this 65 years of existence. I feel still beautiful and healthy. My apo is always laughing. I love it because I seldom see her smile. She's happy today. I'm 65 years old. Kain na ako Mukbang na si Lola. Kain. Oh, yan. Kain. Gawin natin yung 30 minutes para upload ako. Gravy pa.
Gravy pa here. Oh. Saan ka nito yung matapos? Ano ito?
Gusto nyo? Ha?
Gravy.
May dalawa dyan. Ito isa dito.
Yung isa, there's two. Kasi nga. Busog na ako.
Already?
Ice cream pa. Pero, magic ako. Magba-magic ako. Anong flavor gusto mo?
Strawberry.
Yes, strawberry. Strawberry?
Vanilla.
Double batch ang meron. Are you think we were gonna say double that? I didn't even know that exists. Sarap yun.
Yeah.
I
Double
never
Dutch.
tried it.
Ito yun.
Basically, it's two types of
Dapat pala yung
chocolate
magic lang.
ice cream.
Hindi pala
Oh.
nito. Ito chocolate. Wala si Adam na matakot kasi. Yeah, I know, right? That's getting so fat now.
But there's someone else who's stuck out with food. Si Chloe.
Ano gusto mo? Pizza? Mommy, what's
Here.
Adam getting so fat now?
I want the horn.
Alam na tamisa. I want to. The what? Papaya? Ay, papaya. Hawaiian?
Pwede ito pinyada nga. Luto dapat.
That was so loud.
Ang dami ngisi.
Samot at si trip daw. Ano to?
Tinuts lang yun.
You stole the pineapple of the other slice. You took it. No, I didn't. Nobody will know.
They will know.
They won't.
Mm.
Did you actually? Did you actually?
Sarap, sarap.
See?
Thank you, thank you.
What did you know? Are you sure it's just fake?
It's salo-salo lang sa bahay.
Let's see.
It's dinner.
Yes. Here, I'll make it more satisfying.
Wala.
Here, I'll make it more satisfying.
There is. What you laughing at? Unless that's fish in the box.
That's fine.
Yan ang uso kiss ngayon.
Just stop being weird. Ew, you're weird.
What?
Oh.
Eat it now.
I won't. Wait, we didn't eat rats.
Pizza and gravy. The ultimate sauce.
Pizza, chicken, and the gravy.
It tastes like garlic.
All of this mixed together.
Yun naman.
Let's see what it will taste like.
Hindi kutilyo.
Yeah, mom.
Anong kukunin mo ba dyan?
Oh my.
Sana pineapple na lang binili ko. Yung pineapple in can, no?
Mukbang.
Do like this.
Don't eat it. What was that? No. Give me that.
Look at me.
Hmm?
Look at
You know nice food?
You will swim?
Yeah.
Sabi na.
No, meron ice cream.
Marami. Sa store.
Unless that's a box of fish. Then yes.
hot sauce data.
Hmm.
Can have.
Mas pag
Can you take this time? I don't like it. I like this
Just put it there.
Ew. So unsanitary.
Napakain mo sa kanya.
He licked this entire thing.
Don't do that outside Pag kumain ka, ganito.
No man. Yes, ma'am.
When I'm out of faith, she's my idol.
Wala na yata ito.
When I'm out of faith.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope, 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 hope. When you need hope, hope. That's our song, no? Simplest song ever.
Tomorrow,
When you need
breakfast.
hope.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Sure there will be last. Sure there's last.
Ay, tamang-tama. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. May merienda ka pa, oh. May pang breakfast ka pa bukas.
Sorry, look.
Excuse me.
Why is it look like this?
Gawat ka kasi agad baby come.
Ngayon lang ako nag-Jollibee, ma.
Pag nag-soft drinks kayo, ito na lang. Kasi walang asukal yan.
Are you sure? Are you for real?
Manuti
How
ka
do you know? You don't know? You just think it right now.
Isang set kasi binili ko 165. 6 ang laman.
What's anime?
Divided by 6.
Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, there's only one can left. Oh, a bear.
Like it. 20 plus.
No failed.
Mas mura pa kaysa ko.
So you don't put your foot forward. Good. Come on.
What?
Pineapple!
What? Oh.
Dumping.
The dumping pineapple.
Smiley!
Yay! Mission complete.
Yuck now.
Without the pineapple.
I want the pineapple.
Nga ka.
No!
Ah.
Bro, I'm already getting food. I'm gonna
So we
eat
have
ice now.
hot.
Ano ang tinatanggalan yan?
Produce.
Pineapple is good.
If it's fresh, not straight from the pizza.
Yeah, that's the
It looks like
it's
fish.
ice cream.
It looks like fish.
It's ice cream.
Sana ay pineapple.
Kunin mo niya kung ice cream.
Are you sure it's ice cream?
Mommy look like a fish when she does that.
Ayan, yan.
Copper fish.
No.
Yeah, it's definitely the ice cream. I never seen this one in our house.
That.
No, may ice cream pa.
This is 275
Okay.
divided by 2.
Ice cream.
Do you think I have that much money?
200.
Wala ka ng pera?
Maybe.
Mahaba
Ano
na
lang
pala.
bibilimin mo?
Thank you for watching on my birthday's
This
dinner.
girl.
Don't forget to like, comment, and
Ay,
subscribe.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
God bless you.
The change? Yeah.